If you want to cancel your Tidal subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Tidal website or open the Tidal app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, look for the section that details your subscription plan. This will provide you with information about your current subscription status. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Within the subscription details, you should see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on this option to proceed with the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may need to provide feedback or confirm your decision before the cancellation is finalized. Once you have completed these steps, your Tidal subscription will be cancelled. Be sure to check for any confirmation emails or notifications regarding your cancellation.